This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Sienna Burnett. Picture this, a new home in the Blue Ridge Mountains. This easy-maintenance 2-story home is sitting in the perfect location for you to enjoy peacefulness and privacy on the 2.36 acres of unrestricted land. 3 large bedrooms and 3.5 baths allows for a growing family or a vacation home for yourself, friends and family. Primary bedroom is ensuite with a jetted tub and separate walk-in shower as well as a bonus room perfect for crafts/office. Stainless steel appliances west/pleasing under cabinet lighting equip the kitchen. Extra LVP to finish the rest of the newly updated flooring is included. Outside you have plenty of room for parking and can enjoy roasting s'mores around the fire pit. Love the forest. A portion of this property corners USFS. The hardwood trees surrounding this home give you the feeling of being tucked away. Come fall in love west/this exceptional home. For more information,